Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, we're gonna present our presentation about simulation system. We're from group 2 and the member are Suci Wulandari, Sheila Hanum, Larasaki, Shinta, Mulya. So we took the data from KFC Purus veteran. There are two servers there, and the highest number of kiwi is on weekend. And the problem formulation is the system will be modeled and simulated to minimize total waiting time of customer in the system. And we took the data from for 2 hours, start from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And here are our data collected. So we collect from the customer enter the system and the number of server, and we got the start service and when they end the service, and we got 62 datas. And here is the inter-arrival distribution. We got the distribution of inter-arrival time is exponential distribution. And the service time distribution at the service 2, the distribution 1, and the distribution of service time in server 1 is beta distribution. And the distribution for the service time in server 2 is normal distribution. And here is our system modeling. And when the customer come to the system, there will be the customer arrive, and they will choose which server they will come. If there are customer at the server, so they should be queuing, and the recorder will be count how many customer come to the system, and after they get their food, they will choose uh, they will take away or dine in. Uh, and here is our report of simulation in Arena software. And from here we can see in time unit it is hours, and the time there was server 1 kiwi. The waiting time is 0.01, and the server 2 kiwi is the waiting time is 0.01, and the number of waiting, there are in average 0.19 server at the server 1. At the server 2, there are 0.21 at the average. So for verification method, there we used two methods for verify our system. The method that we use first is scoring process. This method is used by asking the expert at the KFC veteran because we assume that the expert knows more about the system. This method we use to verify our system and get the conclusion about the model. The expert that we ask is the manager on Dati, and based on his conclusion, the average time of waiting time of the customer is around 3 to 5 minutes. And the other method that we use is subjective decision. From the subjective decision, based on the arena model, we get the average number out is 57, but from the actual number, we got 62 data. So because the number is so close, so we assume that our simulation is verified. And next is the validation by using SPSS software. First is the server 1. Because we get the p-value is 0, which is smaller than the alpha, so the null will be rejected. And next is from the server 2. Because the p-value is smaller than alpha, so the null will be rejected. So that's all our presentation from this model. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.